smiling. I keep my head up high though I fail. Sometimes I get a bit emotional, but then I turn around and let it go. I see you watching me from a distance. I see you can't decide what.
Hey dolls, for those of you who are new, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll never miss an upload here on my channel. And if you are returning, welcome back. My name is Marie. I'm super excited because for today's video, I'm going to be doing holiday makeup tutorial, and I'm super excited in regards to how this look came out. The palette I use is absolutely gorgeous. If you're interested in seeing how I created this look, then just keep on watching. I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyes. I have already primed my face. I've already done my eyebrows. If you want to find out more in regards to how I do my eyebrows, make sure you guys check out my previous videos. There's like a couple of concerts that are coming up, and I'm debating if I want to go. If you guys would be interested in me doing a vlog at the next concert that I go to, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. I'm not sure which one it's going to be yet. Still deciding, and you know, Christmas is like right around the corner. Get a bunch of gifts. I will be doing Vlogmas. Using my Anastasia Beverly Hills eye brush. I believe the Soft Glam palette, it came with that. You have to prime your eyes with something because you need a good canvas. For one, because if you don't put something down and you just put eyeshadows in your eyes, by the end of the day or the end of the night, your eyeshadow is gonna look a complete mess. This really helps to keep the eyeshadows in place. It helps with creasing, and it makes your eyeshadow look really good. Especially if you're going to like an event or if you're going to take pictures. Really looking forward to the holidays. My sister and nieces are here. I'm excited to do Vlogmas for you guys. More than likely, we're gonna do like a lot more things and get into a lot more stuff. I don't know if I wanna do daily vlogs right now or if I just wanna do weeks worth of content. Just film that whole week, edit and upload that week, but we'll see. And just have like 5 days as one vlog, but it's still Vlogmas because I'll film like day 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and that'll be like one whole vlog. But we'll see. I already had a giveaway. I did go ahead and pick up a few items for that. This is a perfect eyeshadow palette to use for the holiday season. It's a really deep, rich, warm, neutral, like burgundy, browns, reds, glitter, shimmery shades. This is a Huda Beauty Nude Rich eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna start off with this shade right here and apply this to the crease of my eyelid. Really pretty light pink, like a pinkish brown color. I absolutely love this eyeshadow palette because this is something you can just stick in your purse. It's not big, it's not bulky. You can create all kinds of look with this eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna take this shade right here. It's really pretty, a pinkish mauve color, and I'm gonna place that right on top of that transition shade that I placed in the crease of my eye. I'm blending the two colors together. I'm gonna take this deep purple color right here and place this in the outer V of my eye. Going to be using this and applying this on the center of my eyelid and kind of press. I'm going to be using the Urban Decay Stay Naked foundation. If you guys want to see a review on this foundation, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, of course. I love the packaging of this bottle too, is so cool. It's like plastic, it has a gold lid. Gold is like my favorite color. It also has gold writing. I'm just taking my Real Techniques buffer brush. I was mentioning, this is my all-time favorite Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Concealer in 370. If you guys are not aware, Bath & Body Works is having their annual Candle Day sale. It's going to be on December 7th. Check it out because all candles are going to be $8.95. They're going to have it on sale online, and they're also going to have it on sale in the stores. Get up early as soon as possible because a lot of those candles sell out really quickly. This is a Fenty Beauty setting powder in the shade Honey. I have oily combination skin, and I mainly use it as a factor to soak up the shine and oil. I like to go back in with my spoolie brush and fix my eyebrows, like this part right here. I just kind of drag it in and upwards. I'm gonna use my Fenty Beauty matchstick in the shade Truffle. I'm going to take that same shade that I placed in the outer V of my eyelid. I'm going to place this right underneath where I had the other. Highlighter that I'm going to use is one of my all-time favorites. This is the Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter. This is in the shade 200 Molten Topaz. I have the Molten Gold. I absolutely love that one. But I'm going to be using this one here. Go ahead and apply my eyelashes off camera. I'm going to be using these eyelashes here. These are by Allure London. These are the Definition eyelashes. I'm going to use this really pretty glitter shade right here to apply in the corner of my eye. For my lips, I'm going to be using the shade called Ebates by ColourPop Cosmetics. To finish this look off, I'm going to use my setting spray by Urban Decay, and this is the All Nighter setting spray. I want to wish all of you guys very happy holidays, eat lots of food, have lots of fun with your friends and family. I will be making a whole Black Friday haul / vlog video in regards to that, so be on the lookout for that. I also have my holiday giveaway coming up and Vlogmas on the way. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you all in my next one. Bye dolls!